Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. EveCalma here, and to those who are new, please welcome. Today we are making another yummy food. It is an Enoki Mushrooms shrimp fritter recipe. I hope you make this at home. It is so tasty and super easy to do. And what we need are small shrimp. We are going to mince or dice them, it's up to you. 2 stalks of scallions or green onions, 2 eggs, we are going to whisk them, granulated garlic, olive oil for cooking, table salt, onion powder, gluten-free all-purpose flour, sesame oil, freshly ground black pepper, and Enoki mushrooms. They look like these. Once they're cooked, they are naturally sweet and yummy. So we are going to clean them up. See the brown part here? We are going to cut just above the brown ring. And I am going to rinse these mushrooms just once with cold water or warm water before we mix everything. So let's get started and follow along. They are now clean. Separate them. Now it's time to mince our shrimp. You may slice the shrimp into tiny cubes. That way, it's up to you. Or slice them in half. Be careful of your hands. Or mince them. For those who has allergies on shellfish or shrimp, you may substitute ground pork, ground chicken, or ground beef. Place in a mixing bowl. Add all the Enoki mushrooms. Transfer to a bigger bowl if you wish, and add all the rest of the ingredients. It's up to you which one you want to add first. It doesn't really matter. Whisk the 2 eggs and add all in. After mixing them well, they are now ready to be cooked. You can make a bigger size or a smaller size. Cook for about 3 minutes each side. Minutes later, flip over. Oh, Smells so good and yummy. Cook again until they are golden brown, or 2 to 3 minutes. The quality of it, so yummy. Look at that, golden brown. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, add another tablespoon of olive oil. This time we're making bigger sizes, but we are going to cook them the same time frame, 3 minutes. Yummy. Look at that. Yum. And our recipe is done. Turn the heat off. Yummy, yummy. Yum. Yum. Who's hungry? Isn't that easy to do? Dad, you want to eat them plain? Or you want to wait for the rice to cook? Okay. I'll eat them plain. Sausaw sa suka. Dip in my very simple sauce. So yummy. Look at the Enoki mushroom. And the shrimp. So good. Spicy and yummy. It's juicy. The shrimp is not overcooked. It's crunchy. The shrimp. I could eat them all day. Yummy for my hubby. There you go. Is that enough? I want some rice as well. So I ate 2 pieces of fritters already. I gave 3 to my husband. So now I'm eating the rest with rice. I'm in the mood for rice. So good. My diet is ruined. Carbonated natural spring water. Not sponsored, by the way. Good to the last drop. Cheers. Until my next upload, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. I'll see you soon. Cheers.